In this video, let me guide you through how to fix EA app download speed slow. First, click on the settings icon, select help, and then click on app recovery. From here, clear the cache, but keep in mind that any ongoing downloads will restart from the beginning. If the issue is still not resolved, open the start menu, search for control panel and open it. After that, set the view by option to large icons and click on network and sharing center. Then select Change Adapter Settings on the left side. Find your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Next, select Internet Protocol version and click on Properties. Then select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter this. After that, click OK, close all windows, and restart the EA app. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.